Hi everyone. So, this week, let us do some physical activity. Yes. Have you ever heard of a body lead? A body lead. Every person has a body lead. What do I mean by a body lead? Our whole body is always led by one body part at a certain time. There's an invisible thread, okay, which is pulling you through that body part. So for example, if this is the body, okay, if this is the body, yeah, imagine, and this is a chest. So imagine there is a, a an invisible thread, and it pulls you. So your whole body is driven by that body part. Yeah. So first, let us explore chest as a body lead. Now, the stomach. Your stomach becomes your body lead. How will you walk then? Now, the nose becomes your body lead. How do you walk then? How do you walk when your nose is leading you? And now, let us think your eyes are leading you. How do you walk with your eyes as the body lead? And now, let us think our head. Our head is leading us. Now, how will you walk if your right shoulder is leading you? And now, let us say, how will you walk if your knee is leading you? Fantastic. Notice what each walk does to you. क्योंकि हम हर एक बॉडी लीड से एक कैरेक्टर रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, एक कैरेक्टर बताते हैं. जैसे अगर कोई चेस्ट आउट करके वॉक कर रहा है, then we normally say, Ari, this person is a very arrogant or a very confident or a very selfish or, self-centered person. Yeah. A very balanced and not a very protruding chest out is a very confident, self-confident body language. But a like chest out and like this is a very arrogant and overconfident body language. Similarly, अगर कोई पेट से अपने आप को लीड करता है, तो हम कहते हैं कि इंसान बहुत पेटू है. I mean, like that person only thinks about his stomach. Stomach meaning, how do I fill myself up? Is a very self-centered person. Like पहले कुछ भी होगा ना लाइफ में, वो सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचेगा, उसके बाद उसका दिमाग खुलेगा दूसरों के लिए. Yeah. Then if you are a very if you're leading, if your nose is leading you, yeah, you're like a very nosy person. I mean, you it's like a mouse. Have you ever noticed a mouse? A mouse is always a very nose led being. क्योंकि जहाँ सूंघ के वो अपने खाने तक पहुंच जाता है. Similarly, have you ever heard this phrase? तू नाक क्यों अड़ा रहा है मेरी बातों पे? So it's like, you always want to poke into someone else's matters. So you're a very nosy person. You poke your nose into everyone's. So that person has a very nose-led body language. If you're a very eye leading. So you are a very cautious, तुम्हारी दृष्टि वहां पहले जाती है, and then your body goes. So you will always look. So you're a very cautious person. Like you are not a laid back person, but you will first look, you will feel that okay, it's good to go there, it's safe to go there, and then you will go there. Yeah. And if you're a very head led person, so whenever we like led by our head, we are either looking down, and our whole body, it's like it's just following. And because you're not looking where you're going, you're looking down and you're just going there, it it kind of sometimes gives a very depressing feel. Yeah. Feels like your head is so much overpowering you that you just cannot do anything else. And you're just all the time thinking, and you're not really conscious of where are you walking and what are you doing. You're just always in your thought. You're preoccupied with your thought. If you are a very, matlab, we're not doing an analysis here, but we are trying to, these are a very generalized representations. We always can change the representations, but these are a very general assumptions and these are a very general way of representing. So if you are a very pelvis leading, or अगर हम किसी को बहुत ही lusty या sensual pleasures से प्रभावित हुआ बताते हैं, then we always show that person like he's walking with his pelvis as a lead. Yeah, that. And if we are showing like a one knee as a lead or some, so that always has some kind of a limp, or so that is, and all of these are like the exaggerated representations. तो हम लोग हमेशा we can control the amount of lead that we want to show. Yeah. So you don't necessarily have to be all chest out and like walk. Yeah. But you can also just still be very nude, very, very normal, and still have your chest as a body. You can be very, look at, like, appearance wise, be very normal, still have your stomach as a body lead. Yeah. So I would suggest notice what is your body lead, because as an actor, it is very important to be aware of your own body the way it is, so that we can remove the conditionings in order to take a new character. In order to take on a new character, we always need to come to a neutral state. अगर हमारे ऊपर हमारी ही कंडीशंस इतनी है, तो हम नए कैरेक्टर को कैसे ले पाएंगे? इसीलिए notice your body lead. Come to a very neutral, very balanced state of being, which is no leads. You are very balanced. Each body part, you are aware entirely of what your hands are doing, what your legs are doing. Your consciousness is on each part of your body. And you're walking absolutely balanced without any lead. That, and even your breath is very much balanced. Neither too fast nor too slow. And then you think of a character. Whatever the character is, you think of what will be the body lead of that character. और फिर उस हिसाब से हम उस character की body lead देते हैं. Now that character might have one pure body lead, or that character might have a mixture of body leads. So maybe you want to show a very arrogant princess or a prince or a king, but it's an arrogant prince or a princess, and you might show a little bit chest out and like a little bit chin up. You know, or you could show a very You could show a very laid back person and a very depressed person also. Like a laid back person who's always self obsessed और इसीलिए शायद वो डिप्रेस्ड भी है या ये थोड़ा सा बहुत बहुत सोचता है बहुत सोचता है. So a little bit of stomach out and head. So it's a very interesting exploration to explore yourself, your body lead, and then to also explore a character. You can really notice people around, look at their body leads. That'll help. Thank you so much.